guys, so today we're doing the basil cucumber mash and I hope you enjoy. It's my first time making it also, but I'm sure it'll be great. Follow along. So what we need for this recipe is cucumber, sugar, lime juice, basil, elderflower liqueur, sparkling water, and some gin. Cucumber, the sugar, the basil, and then we're just going to muddle it. Now that we've muddled everything, we're gonna add some lime juice. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Add the elderflower. So 1, 2. So now we're gonna cover this up and refrigerate it. So we're gonna drop a couple cucumbers in for garnish. I'm gonna add some ice. This is the drain. Splash of sparkling water. So this is our finished drink. It's really yummy. Enjoy!